Φιλαράκι μου, τώρα απάντησες στο βίντεο, τώρα την έκατσες. Θα υποστείς συνέπειες. Εγώ σε προειδοποίησα, είχα όλη την καλή διάθεση. Αλλά εσύ επέλεξες να πατήσεις. Πούς φέρε καβλεύρες. Πώς εσείς τι κάνετε? Λοιπόν, αυτό το βιντεάκι δυστυχώς για σας είναι η απάντηση στο challenge του Ρόκετα, στο οποίο πρέπει να μιλάω αγγλικά. Οπότε θα υποστείτε εμένα να μιλάω στα αγγλικά. Καλά να πάθετε. Πατήσετε πάνω στο βίντεο. Εγώ προσπάθησα να σας προειδοποιήσω. So, first thing first. Before we continue with this video, with this disgusting video. Όπο μαλάκα, ήδη ακούγεται πολύ άσχημα. Before we continue with this beautiful conversation between you and me, I would like to give me your support. I want to drop a like to this video. Give me a big courage. And if you're not subscribing this channel, press the subscribe button and press the bell. So, Πόπο μαλάκα, είναι πάρα πολύ άσχημο, είναι πάρα πολύ κακό. I would like to express my feelings for those guys that speak English like they are American or they are from England. For example, I'm not talking for those who know good English. I speak to those who want to speak like American or like a guy from England. I want to say that I disgust this guy because I can hear this stupid accent that was heard like a little French. For example, then don't say example, they say example. It's a very big example. Or they speak English between the Greek. For example, πήγα στο mall και έφεγαν aperitif και γαμώ το κιόλα. So yeah, my friends, I don't like the guys that speak with accent that want to show something. Today I was thinking what to do, and I was thinking maybe I have to do some challenge to speak to other people in English. I don't know. Maybe I will tell you a story about something stupid that I did before 7 years, if I remember right. Yeah. I f*** your f***ing horn! Guys, there is a big difference when you swear. Swear δεν είναι, κορκίζομαι. Τι είχα την εντύπωση swear λέγονται για την κυβρισιά. Anyway, when you swear someone, you don't have a lot things to say. Nice helmet, my friend. What is this? TTM. Haha, you are lucky that I don't have now my SMT. You're very lucky! I was telling that when you swear in English or curse, I don't know with the right word, you don't have a lot of words to express your feelings. What are you saying in English? You don't have a lot of words. But on the other hand, if you speak in Greek, you have a lot of things to say. You can create your own words. When you swear in Greek, feel nice, you feel full of energy. I hate. Μισώ αυτό που κάνω! To continue this video, now let's go for a story time. This is a story about me and my wife. We organized a nice ride to Chalkida, to Evia, with my old R6. And you know, when you are traveling with R6, it's a nightmare. Because your back is hurting, you don't have a lot of ways to transfer your packs, and it's also a nightmare for the second rider. Before 7 years, my wife was struggling with panic attacks and agoraphobia, if I tell it right in English. It was a very difficult time because we're fighting together this issue and we try to do a lot of things to heal it. After a lot of communication between us, we said to try it. If you have or you had panic attack, you know how difficult it is. After all of this communication and the meditation, we start this beautiful travel. It was all nice, nothing difficult. We did a stop at the big fridge λέω, μαλάκα fridge λέω. At the big bridge that there is near Evia. You know this big bridge. I don't remember if it has a name. So we did a stop there to drink a little coffee, to stretch a little. Okay. And after that, half hour. Maybe I tell it too much time. I don't remember. So it is time to continue the ride. I jump on the bike. I put the keys, I turn it. I press the starter and nothing. I press again the starter, absolutely nothing. Ah, fuck, we are doomed. It was like the bike have energy. What the fuck happened now? And I was very nervous because for my wife to not have panic attacks. Oh, my friends, I tried 5, 6, 7 times and the bike didn't start. It was off, my friend, it was off. I don't know what happened. And now what are we doing now? I'm calling the road assistance. Very disappointed, very sad, very feared, very angry. I had all the feelings. I tried to stay near my wife. It was all wrong, my friend. It was all wrong. I don't know what happened. So I called the road assistance. I talked to them. What happened? I closed the phone and we were waiting to come. Also, the guy tell us he can transfer only one of us with him. The other guy must take a taxi. I said, what did you say? I tell him that this will not happen. I was trying to tell him the situation with my wife and the panic attack that she was struggling, and he said, okay, I will take you both. Meanwhile, we were waiting at the bridge, at the side of the bridge. I was together with my wife to keep her safe and relaxed, and after 20-25 minutes, my wife tells me to move the bike more on the side because it was dangerous for the cars that was coming. And when I moved on the side the bike, you know, I press the starter again, but it's the situation that you know that it won't start. You know that nothing will happen. You know that stupid thing that you press it and you know that will not start. And when I press the starter, I hear the bike. I said, what? I press it again and I hear again the bike. And the bike starts. I said, no, you must be kidding me. I can't believe that this happened. I can't believe that I was waiting 20 to 25 minutes and it was everything fine with my bike. No! And tell me, my friend, what I did. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me that how stupid I was this day. My friend, my lovely friend, the issue that the bike didn't start was the fucking stand. Yes, my friend, I had already put the bike in the neutral. Yes, I did it. I fucking pressed the clutch. Yes, I did it. But it was the fucking safety of the stand. My God, my guys don't know how shame I was from myself. My wife was giving me did an eye contact with me, you know this eye contact between the wife and the husband when the husband did a stupid thing. This eye contact, you know. I can't express myself with English. I can't. Everything okay, everything fine. I did a lot of fucking jokes so my wife can forgive me. And after all that, you know that we stop here? No, my friend. We are not stopping here. We were going to the village. The name was Potami at Evia. And if you know the area, you know that is a place in the middle of nowhere. My wife tells me that I have to put gasoline in the bike, so we are okay and don't have any trouble again. And I told her that I see a village before Potami Evias, so I see a gasoline station there, so I will stop there, so when we return, have a full gasoline on the bike. My wife remains to tell me we must put gasoline now, so... Γιατί πατάς κόρνα? I was insist that I will put gasoline in the last station, and it's the time we are riding in the middle of nowhere in the mountains, and the lamp of gasoline was on. Yes, you understand what I mean. So we were in the middle of nowhere with no gas, and when we went in the village that I saw in the map that there was a gas station, guys, there were only 2 houses and nothing else, absolutely nothing. Guys, I did round to 20 kilometers. That means that I didn't have a lot of gas, and guys, I didn't tell anything to my wife, but on the other hand, she was knowing the situation. I have to say that we were very lucky in this situation, because after 5 to 10 minutes that I was thinking what to do, a car was coming and we are telling him the situation, that we were without gas. The guy told us that we don't have to fear anything, because if it would happen anything to us, he would give his help. And this is how we finished this day. He helped us, he gave us a little gas, and we went to the place. I don't know why my wife didn't divorce me. I don't know how this woman is with me again. Anyway, now we are going to Angelos of MRP to take a brake disc for the CCM, because it's time to transform from Enduro to Supermoto, and let's say hi to him. I know that you will cringe, but I am doing a challenge that I have to speak only in English. So, give me a minute to finish this fucking video.
Okay, buddy.
You haven't the accent, the English accent. Oh my god, oh my god! And yes, guys, after we receive the new brake disc, we will transform our CC from Enduro to Supermoto, because summer is coming and Supermoto really don't have the word. So that was the video. I hope all of you guys enjoy it. I'm sorry for my English. It sounded so wrong. So wrong. Now I have to challenge someone else. So I'm challenging my brothers in Thessaloniki, the two Will cousins, and I hope you guys to enjoy it. So, my brothers from Thessaloniki, two Will cousins, I challenge you to do the same, to make a video only in English. So, good luck and have fun. Guys, maybe it's the worst video I ever recorded. The cringe is too high. So guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you are not subscribed, take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video in Greek. Πόπο μαλάκα! Έχει κριτζάρει η ψυχή μου! Γαμώ το κι... Hello, 5 euros please. Yes, 5. Can I pay you with card? Thank you. One moment please. Have a nice day. Ή νόμιζε ότι είμαι ξένος ή με πέρασε για ηλίθιο. Ένα από τα δύο. Αυτό είναι το μόνο σίγουρο.